Hi everyone, my name's Letitia Sophia. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and today I'm going to be taking you through 4 makeup looks over the years, and I'm going to be starting with the early 2000s, taking it into 2010, then to 2015, little contour, and then the 2020 trends for the future. So I really hope you enjoy it, carry on watching and see how I create this one and many more. I'm going to take you back to the 2015 era where it was all about contour and bake, contour and bake. It would make you look snatched, and that's how I'm going to show you how to be. So let's go. I'm going to start off with contouring and using the Nip and Fab contouring palette in dark. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade here and start with the nose contour. The best way to do a nose contour, if you're unsure, is get a fluffy brush. It can be an eye brush, it can be whatever, and you want to literally run the product down each side of your nose. Use the brush from the front of your brow to the tip of your nose. It should basically run down just before there. So I'm going to start off at the top and I'm literally going to run the brush down the side. I'm going to follow the same on the other side, and I'm just going to finish off by just placing it underneath my nose. What that's going to do is lift my nose because it's going to hide the tip of my nose. But once that is done, I don't want to leave it so harsh, so I'm going to use a buffing out foundation brush and just buff over the line slightly. And once you're happy with the blend, I'm going to move on to my cheekbones. I'm going to use the same tone, and I'm going to have kind of like a slanted fluffy brush, and what this is going to do is make sure that you get a nice sharp contour. If you don't know where your cheekbone is or how to find it, again, get your brush, line it up with the corner of your lips, and then line it up with the top of your ear, and you should have no contour here. The best way to lift those cheekbones is to press the product into the skin. So I'm literally just gonna... Can you already see that? Wow, I've just not contoured in ages. Kind of love it. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of contour into my temples. This is going to make your forehead appear smaller. If you've got quite a large forehead, you can bring it lower. I'm going to bring it to my jaw. Now I've kind of got the structure going, I want to blend it out, make it all bronzed and beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with the first shade, so this is slightly a little bit lighter, and I'm just going to blend the product as if it was a bronzer. So, can you see the difference, guys? And I'm now going to follow this on the other side. So now I want to tidy up my contour a little bit, make me even more snatched. If you don't even know what snatched mean, just more chiseled. There you go, that is the translation. I'm now going to go in and use the Revolution Loose Setting Powder in medium yellow. So I'm going to grab my fluffy brush, get a bit of the product in there, and I want to sharpen up my contour. So I'm literally just going to dab, dab, and I want to link it to the corner of my lip. And then what I'm going to do to brighten up my under eye, I'm just going to press a little bit of powder there too. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. That is my eyes done, and then I'm going to go back in with my bronzer brush, and this time blend using my bronzer brush. Look how snatched. And there you have it. So this is a few easy steps to contouring using only a few products. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed to Superdrug's YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up, turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of this and more. And I hope to see you soon. Bye guys.